Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a featured badge to your Steam profile. Let's begin. So if you want those badges, you actually need to earn them. But if you already have those, you can actually go to your profile or click over here, which is your username. Then it will show something like this, badges, and this is where your badge will appear. Okay, so currently this account has no badges. It, it's pretty obvious. So what you can do is you can actually go to edit profile. Then it will give you an option in here to add a showcase badge. So for example, if you have a badge, you can simply click or select that specific badge, and you can click on save, and once you go back to your profile, it will show in here the badge you selected, that it is now appearing on your profile and being showcased. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.